Mad, you got a right to be mad. What kind of world have you been handed? Under siege from all sides, can't stand it. But you don't have to do a thing, because my love can't be earned or demanded, can't be withheld, can't be bought. You just have it. But it might be raining. It might be raining on your birthday, as you're walking home from school, or the first time you really hurt someone and they wanna hurt you too. Raining on the window with your head against the pane, on the bus at night when you're taking flight to meet your friends somewhere unsafe, with the whole world in your headphones because you found something that's true, like a life raft to hold on to, because what else can you do? There is an ocean full of bullshit I wish that I could keep from you. But the truth is in Vancouver, it might be raining. You got a right to be sad. It's part of the deal, it's part of the pattern. If I could take it away, there's a chance it might not matter. Oh, but you don't have to do a thing, because my love can't be earned or demanded, can't be withheld, can't be bought. You just have it. But it might be raining. It might be raining on your wedding, or as you hitchhike through Peru, and it's dripping down the brim of your cap, and it's soaking through your shoes, and it sinks right down inside you. But then you kinda want it to, like a sore inside your mouth that you can't keep yourself from chewing. I don't know what it is, why the pain of living frees you, but there's something about the juxtaposition, something about the riddle. It might be raining. Thought I was done, wasn't finished. There is so much left to say, but I choke on my tongue every time you look at me that way. And I know you don't want to hear it, I know I make you feel insane, but right there in the crosshairs of everywhere, well, it might be raining. Yeah, anywhere that is anything to anyone. At the center of everywhere.